certeza.
That was kind of fast, right? Well, that's what drone surveying can do for you.
Drone surveying provides accurate topographical surveys.
Our skilled professionals provide detailed checks of cut and fill earthworks weekly.
Our drones make the right decision for you.
Sick and tired of incorrect earthwork volume calculations? Drone surveying can ease the pain.
Our drones help optimize your time, offering quick and accurate as-built.
With our agile and experienced team, save you time and money.
Drone surveying is growing fast, and so should you.